Let's do a ranking of these hair colors. Let's see which one suits me the best. Auburn. It's actually not that bad. I'll give it a 4. Okay. 1. That's my dream hairstyle. Dark. I don't really like it, but it's not that bad, so I'll give it a 5. My mom's vacuum right now. Now, I don't like too bright a colors. 2. That looks horrible. Magenta, ugly on me. Oh my gosh, I should have put that lower than magenta. I used to have red hair, actually, in high school. Pastel, ooh, it's so pretty, actually. Ooh, 3. Yay.